Right now, so in the last video, we went ahead and we inserted a couple shows and we displayed the shows right here in the slider. And now it's time to actually go ahead and display the trending shows right here. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. Of course, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna display the shows all over the index or the home page right here. All right, so if I go ahead right here at the home controller. So all what we're gonna do from now on is just grabbing the data you know from the show model right here. So I'm just gonna go right here, trending shows like this, and I'm gonna go show, and I'm gonna go select. I'm gonna go order by. I'm gonna simply order this by the title, and I'm gonna make this descending. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead right here. I'm gonna go take. I'm gonna take like, let's see how many should we take. We're gonna take like 6 shows right here. All right, so I'm gonna go 6 like this, and I'm gonna go right here and go get. All right, so there we go, and I'm simply gonna go ahead and pass this in right here and save. And let's copy this, and let's go to the home, and there it is, the trending shows. We're trending now, and there it is right there, the row. All right, so we will have a couple of these divs, a couple of these similar divs right here. So we will only need one, and then we will just remove the rest so we can loop through this. All right, so if we remove this like that, and if we go right here, we go for each, and if we go trending shows as show like this, and we will go right here, we'll go show, yeah, show like that as show. All right, and I'm gonna go right here at the part of the div. Got this. We copy this right here, and if we go asset, all right, if we go assets like this, and if we go slash image, if we go show like this, and if we remove this and let's save. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do next. I'm gonna copy this, and this is simply the number of episodes. I'm not gonna display this. All right, and right here, this is the number of comments and also the number of views. We're not gonna display any of that actually. All right, because this will just complicate things. I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna make this TV show like that, and right here we will simply just display the name. Right, so save this now. All right, so what's going on? Yeah, column not found, unknown column title. Yeah, this should not be title. This should actually be name. Save. All right, so there we go. We got our own shows right over here, which is cool. Isn't it weird that this image right here is completely different from the one that we have it right here? All right, so let me check what's going on right here. We go to htdocs. If we go to anime, if we go to public, we go to assets, image. So common -4. Let's see the name of this image at the database. So this is trend-1.gbg. friend dash one. Yeah, it's right there. All right, it doesn't actually matter. Yeah, doesn't matter that much. All right, but I feel like the images, yeah, it's not different. Maybe it's showing up very different because it's kind of small. All right, so this is why it's a little pixeled right here. All right. So what else should we do after this? Yeah, we should grab the adventure shows, but I don't have any adventure shows right here, so I'm gonna change one of those adventure in the genre. So status genre. I'm gonna make this so it will be adventure like that. All right, so there we go. If we go right here, I'm gonna go adventure shows. All right, I'm gonna go ahead. Let's copy all of this. And I'm gonna go right here and paste this in. So I'm gonna grab the show, select order by name, or you can simply go by order by the ID descendingly, and we're gonna take only 6 right here. And I'm also gonna go where the genre right here equals the adventure. All right, since we want to grab this by the adventure, I'm gonna go like that. All right, I'm gonna specify the genre as adventure, and then I'm gonna get the data. All right, and save. Let's now pass this in and save. Let's go ahead and go to our home page right here, and I'm gonna go down at the bottom of this. All right, so we will also find this div with the class row, and inside it we will find a bunch of similar divs. So again, we will just need one, and then we will delete the rest. So there we go. Let's actually delete those. I'm gonna go right there. I'm gonna go for each adventure shows as show. Right here, I'm gonna copy this. Well, even before we copy this, I'm just gonna grab this div and I'm gonna paste it like that, and then let's push this, and then we will just copy this. If you don't understand what's going on with the for each, well, basically what I'm doing is I have like an array of objects right here, or an object of arrays. All right, I'm just giving it an alias, and since I give this as an alias, this will actually allow me to display the data based on the column. All right, as an instantiation. I'm gonna go assets slash image. I'm gonna go slash, and simply I'm gonna concatenate the show, and I'm gonna right here just place the name of the column in order to grab the data from it. All right, so let me go ahead now, copy this, and then I'm gonna go ahead right here. I'm gonna simply go ahead right here, also TV show, and right here I'm just gonna go and simply remove this and go name like that. All right, so save. All right, so column not found, column genre. Yeah. Genre. Yeah, of course I wrote the column name wrong. So let's grab this. Let's grab it from here. All right, and let's place it right here. As you can see, I just made a typo. Let's save and let's go ahead and refresh, and this will actually work. All right, so there we go. If we look down at the bottom, so there we go. Now we got only one show for the adventure shows right here, which is the one, yeah, which is the second show, I guess. Yeah, it's actually the first show right here. All right, which has the ID of 1 and has the name of Fate/Stay Night. Yeah, something like that. All right, which is this one. So what else? I also have these 2 sections. Is it like 2 or 3? Like 3 sections or so. And yeah, I guess that this page will be done. So should we like do the other? Recently added shows. All right, we can do this section. That's totally fine. We still have time. So if we go back to the controller, let's copy this. Actually, it's going to be a lot similar to this. So let me go ahead. All right, so since the recently added shows, I'm gonna go ahead and make the order by ID, and it's going to be descendingly actually, but I'm gonna take like 6 yeah, 6 results, 6 rows. And yeah, I'm gonna go recent. Shows like that, and if I copy this, I will simply add it right here and say, let's copy this and go to the home. And yeah, again, we have this all recently added shows H4 or so, and right here we will have a couple of devs, and as you can see, a couple of similar devs. Let's go ahead and delete each and every one of those, and let's go ahead right here at the top and go for each recent shows as show. And let's cut this and paste like that. And I'll go ahead and copy the show. And let's go right here. All right, so I'm just gonna go to assets first. I'm gonna go then image like that slash, and I'm gonna go show. I'm gonna go image like that. And let's go ahead and copy this. And yeah, let's comment those. And right here, this will be TV show. And right here, and let's save like that. All right, so recently added shows. So as you can see, it's gonna display this, the last show first with the ID of 2, and then the show of the ID 1. So this is the most recent one that's added right here. So yeah, this will be all for this video, and I will see you on the next one.